So we will start with the recitation of this shloka from Panchastavi. चंचित काचन कुंडलांग दराम आबद्ध कांची सजम एतां चेतसि तद्गतेशनमपि ध्यायन्ति कृत्वा स्थितम् तेषां वेशमसो विप्रामदहरः स्पारिभवन्त्यश्रम् मद्यत्कुञ्चरकर्णतालतरला स्थैर्यं भजन्ते श्रिया. Before we just start the class, I would wish everybody happy Ganesha. So all of us are celebrating the Ganesh Chaturthi yesterday, today, and there are people who celebrate for 5 days, 3 days, 7 days, 1 day, and then do the Visarjana. So on the left side, if you see, this is the shloka written by Sunil Manuriji, who is also part of our team and who is in the session today with us. And on the right hand side, these are the this is from the manuscript about the mantras of Sri Ganesha. So yes, on this occasion, I wish all of you has happy and prosperous and healthy life. So we will now start the session. And just a recap, last session we learned about the special rule of matra A, and we also learned those alphabets where the A is written differently. Maybe Snehaji, if you can do a quick revision of that. So we will do that. And today we will go to the rule number 2. That is a special rule for matra U and U. So I will take the I will remove the sharing, and I will ask Snehaji to take us through the session today, and I will keep monitoring the questions and answers from students.
Yeah, okay. Okay, let me share my screen. Okay, so today we are going to learn the special rule for U and U matra. So totally there are 9 matras, okay, which are written in a different way in for U and U matra. So first let's start with K.
Snehaji, can you do a revision of the A matra what we learned last time? Quick revision.
Okay. Okay.
Special A.
So,
Yeah.
okay. So let me do for per. This is written per, and in Devanagari and in Sharada it is written as per. Then you go for pa. This is written as pa. So is this the one, or okay, you're asking the special rule, right? Got it.
Yes.
Okay, I got confused, sorry. So special rule for, we'll go with first ja. So you see special rule for ja. It's from here like this. This will be ja. Okay, and if you go for na, will be, you observe it is from this end like this. This is ng, and you write for t, for ta, it will be here like this. This is ta. So here you have to know that for it is starting from this end and then you're bringing it here. This is and for j it will be little inside and then you're bringing it here and a little curve at the bottom. And for t also it will be from a little inside of the shiroreka and then like this. This is ta. And then we'll go with na. Na is written, and then a C, inverted C like this. This is na. And you go with nya. It will be j and n, and from the top, from inside, bring it like this. This is nya.
So on this, there is a question by student. So
Okay.
it is about because when we write gear, that is right. It is by Sai Kuladevi. So it's actually the combination of gear and nya. It's not no.
Yeah,
That
it
is
is
right. That is correct. It is
j
right. You can maybe
plus
show them. Yes.
and nya. It will be this.
Yes. 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 So that is correct. Grammatically, that is correct. But when we are writing the gear as a conjunct, we don't write nya here. We write the symbolically something like which is shown above. So it is just that alphabet we will have to remember in Sharada Lipi. It is written like an of what Snehaji has written above.
Okay. So are we good with the revision of a matra here?
Yeah, I think it is good. Just quickly, student want to see ju and ju. Can you just write?
Okay.
Just small,
That
ju, not ju.
is okay. Okay. So in Devanagari it will be Ju, and to write it here, this will be Ju. This is J from here. This is Ju, and then you can also write from here Ju. That's right.
Yes.
So this will be Ju here, and if you write Ju, it will be a small line, and then towards left and down. This is Ju. Is it clear?
Yes, yes, it is clear. So U and U matra, whatever Snehaji is shown now, a small triangle and a curve for U completely below, that applies for all the alphabet. Only these 9 or 10 alphabet which Snehaji will take us today, for them, U and U are different, which Snehaji will explain us.
Yes.
So these rules are very, very, very important. Students have to know, because next we may have only 6 classes more. Students have to just remember these 6 7 rules, and they have to be very careful, because like example special a, then now special u, and from tomorrow onwards we will start conjuncts. That means how do we write the words. So but these rules are very important. There are 7 to 8 rules which we will learn in consecutive classes.
Okay, so totally there are 9 alphabets, okay, which have a special rule for oo and oo. It has a special rule for oo and oo matra. So we'll start with first ka here. I'll first write
Siyaji,
Devanagari ka.
your
Yes,
it
Rakesh
your
ji.
mouse has stopped working again.
Rakesh, your voice is breaking.
We are not able to see your mouse moving.
Oh, is it?
Yeah,
Okay. Now?
now it is correct. Yes.
Okay. So this is Devanagari ka. So we will we write in Sharada. Ka is written like this. We all know this. So when you're writing ku in Devanagari, ku will be like this. And in Sharada, please observe here. You're not writing full ka. It is you have to draw a line on the top and then bring it down. And then at the bottom, you write this ku matra. This is ku in Sharada. Okay, so let me show you. It will be a shiroreka and a line. Okay, and then from at the top, you just bring it down here. Okay, and then at the bottom, you write U matra as you write in the Devanagari. This is ku. This is how it's written in Sharda. You write ku. This is ku in Devanagari, and in Sharda it will be ka here, one u and the other u at the bottom. I will show you again clearly. Just see here. Write a line from the top, draw a line, then bring it down. This is ka. When you're writing ku, this is how you write ka. And then one u. This is second u, which breaks u,
Again. Okay.
u. So is it clear, Rakesh ji, now?
Yes. Yes. Yes.
Okay. Let me show
So
again.
you have to show them where is the arc, where did you start it, and how much they have to bring it up a little bit finally. Yeah.
Yeah, I'll show that. So you're writing ku. So what you do first, draw a shiroreka. Then you draw a T here. And then you have to start this line here until this end of the shiroreka, and then bring it down till the bottom here. If you observe, you're starting here. You have to maintain this symmetry here. And here, what you do is you write like this, and then from here you write this ku. Okay, so it will be right like this, and it has to be parallel to the shiroreka, and then immediately bring it down till this end. Okay, don't bring it down too much, or don't keep it too short. Just make sure. And then you're writing ku, it's like this. You can, if you're writing it, it'll be like this. Is it clear?
Yeah, it is clear. Just one question is there, which I would like to answer.
Okay.
So the question is the whole curve. So Barakhadi, do we write the curve in the same as shown? So if you see here, the curve when we are writing a matra below curve, which is u or u, which Snehaji is showing. So very important point, very important point you have to remember that when anything is written below curve, we will learn that in our next classes why it should be written, something will be written below. But you have to remember today one more important point, that whenever anything is written below curve, curve will not be written complete, curve will be written as Snehaji is showing. So that is one very important point. So I will repeat that point once again. Whenever something, some other letter, whether it is matra or any alphabet, has to be written below curve, curve will be written like this. What Snehaji is shown, it is half curve.
Anything written here, curve will always be written as half like this.
Yeah.
Anything which is attached at the bottom of curve is always half.
So another point. Now question can come: why is written like this? Why it is not having a different convention? Maybe Snehaji, if you can in the same picture write chu. Don't delete anything. Just
Yeah,
write chu, cha, u,
yeah.
so that they will understand
If
why.
you're writing, yeah, if you're writing cha, as you know, this is,
Cha, 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 cha.
yeah, when you're writing cha here, if here you're writing chu like this. So if you're writing ka, you'll get confused. Like, it looks so. That's the reason why we keep ka as half.
Yes,
So when
that
you're
is the.
writing ku, you're writing it like this.
So if I
So
would
this
have,
is the difference between chu and
yes,
ku.
correct. So
Okay.
otherwise it will be very difficult if this special rule was not for k. While reading, students can confuse it whether it is ku or whether it is chu. So in order to differentiate, these 9 alphabets are, which Snehaji will show, they follow a different u and u matra. That is all I want to say. Go ahead, Snehaji. Sorry.
Yeah. Okay. So next we will go with, this is ku in Devanagari. Okay. And in Sharda, it will be a Shiroreka, a half ka. And here, if you see, it will be one U and the second U. U is written like this. So this is the double U. U. This is how it's written. This is ku in Sharda. If you have, you need to write like this, and then this is how it's written. This is ku. This is ku. So is this clear? We can go with next. The next alphabet that we'll pick is, it will be G. So this is Gu in Devanagari, and in Sharda it will be same. There is no difference. It is Gu. This is same. There's no difference in from Sharda and Devanagari. Gu. Okay, when you're writing Gu, this is Gu in Devanagari, and in Sharda it will be with double. This is the difference between Devanagari and Sharda. You're writing with a normal pen, it will be This is gu, and if you're writing gu, it will be 1 u and 2. This is gu. So are we good with this? Any
Yes.
doubts? You can just okay. Okay. Next alphabet that we are going is we're doing with Ju. That will be this is Ju, and if you're writing in Sharda, it will be here. This is Ju. Write this here. It will be like this. This is Ju. So here you should know that when you're writing Ju, it will be you're writing U matra here. Okay. So always remember U is written from this point. It is written. So let me show you how to write Ju. It is written like this, and in Sharda it is written as this, and then one U, and here this is written Ju in Sharda. You're writing it here, the normal ball pointed pen, it will be Ju here. Okay, is this clear? Any doubts?
I think there is a question. Let me understand this question. The question is, before each letter do you show? It is J and J. Earlier it was
Yeah.
J. Yeah. So first we learned about this special U and U matra. First Sneha ji has shown K, then G, then J. Yeah. Go ahead. That's fine.
Okay. Okay. So this is Ju and Ju. Then we will go with the Nya. So written as right here is new, and in Sharda it is written like this, and no, you draw Shiroreka, write Ana, then 1 and 2 curves at the bottom. So this is no. If you're writing with the ballpoint, then it will be a Shiroreka and a line on the left. No. Okay. Okay. Then from here you bring this Umatra, second one also like this. This is no. Sorry, no. And you're writing no. It will be
New.
new. Yeah. This will be like this. This is new. Any doubts? Always remember here one thing, when you're writing na, right? So it will be like this. Don't one thing is when you're this X is right here, there should be a little space here. This is the rule for na when you're writing na. So when you're writing new, it will be like this. And from here it will be here and here. Try to keep it this within this should be here. It should be don't try to do too much like this and all. Just try to maintain the symmetry of the alphabet. So I hope new is clear.
Yes.
Sure. Okay. So we'll next go with the do. This is do in Devanagari, and in Sharada it will be the is written till here. Okay, and do will be written like this. This is do. So here when you observe, you draw a Shiroreka, and from the left side of the Shiroreka you draw a small line and then a curve, and then you're ending it here. Okay, you're ending it on the right side of the Shiroreka, and you'll pick it up from here, and then you will bring it inside. This is do. Okay, so here if you see, it's like this. That's it till here. You have to make, there has to be space here. Okay, the space has to be there, and when you're writing O, you will pick it up from here and then towards inside. This is how you write do. Let me show it again. It will be a Shiroreka, and from the left a small line, an immediate round, bring it down till here, and then from here you write U. This is do. You have to make sure that this alphabet U matra should lie within this Shiroreka, this still here. Okay, don't try to extend it too much like this and all. So just try to maintain this. So let me show you. Will be this is do. So when you're writing do, it is like this in Devanagari, and in Sharda it will be 2, 1, and then 2. If you're writing with the normal pen, it'll be like this, and then 1 and 2. This is do. U matra. Is it clear?
Yes.
Any questions? Okay. Okay. Let's go with the the next is the matra that we are doing. This is tu, and if you're writing, it will be like this. This is the, and u matra is written like this. Actually, there's not much Shiroreka here. It will just be like this. This is the, and this will be a light. It will be very light. This is two. So when you're writing with the normal ballpoint pen, it will be this is two. And if you're writing two, it will be like this. And in Sharda, it will be a double line, double. This is U in Sharda. If you're writing ballpoint pen, it will be like this. Is it clear, Rakesh? Any doubts?
Yeah. Can you, they're asking to show the difference between U and the. I think that's a good question. Can you show that?
U is it?
The, what you are writing, and U.
Okay, I'll show that.
Because there is a
So
confusion. Yes.
yeah, I know. So when you're writing U will be you're bringing it up. This is U. When you're writing the, it will just be till here. This is the. You get it? So it will be, this will be You're extending this bottom line. You're pulling it upwards. This is oo. When you're writing the, it will just be like a normal 3. And then when you're writing tu, it will be like this. And tu will be a double again. Is it clear?
Yes, I think it is clear now.
Okay. Okay. Let's go with the next. Let's go with boo. This is boo in Devanagari and in Sharada. We all know how to write first b here. You bring it down and then you pull it inside till here. And then you write a oo here. So if you're writing with a normal pen, write a Shiroreka. Small line, a curve here, bring it down inside. You have to bring it inside. Show you again. Bring it inside here and then oh, this is boo. We observe this the difference between the was only like this, okay, but your b you're bringing it here. You're pulling it inside. This is b. So this is the difference between b and da. So when you're writing boo, it will be like this. Okay, so when you're writing boo, it will be right boo here. Okay, and then it will be 1 and 2. This is boo. If you're writing with a normal pen, it will be like this. You write boo, 1 o, and the second o. This is boo. Is it clear?
Yeah, just a small point, because this was a question asked by the student. So when Sneha ji has
Okay.
written oo, the second curve which is below is slightly lesser than the curve which is above. Maybe Sneha ji, can you just show that once again?
Yes.
Just separately the
Yeah,
matra.
yeah. So if you're writing u matra, it will just be like this. This is right.
Yes. So smaller
Okay.
one, the
Yeah.
bottom one is
It
slightly
has, yeah,
smaller one. Yes.
yeah. It is slightly smaller, right? Correct. So this will be when you're writing, it will be like this. This should be fine. So this when you're writing it, it has to be lesser than the first one. This is the rule for U matra. Is it any doubts, Rakeshji?
No, this is clear now. Yes.
Okay, okay. So next we will go with shoe. This will be shoe in Devanagari, and in Sharada, you know how to write sure. So this is how you write shoe, and then when you're writing shoe, it will be like this, and then in Sharada, it will be 1 and 2 here. This is shoe. If you're writing with a normal pen, it will be like this. Let me write it again. It will be like this. This is shoe. And if you're writing in Sharda, it will be with
Sneha ji,
1
one
and 2.
one
Yes,
point.
Rakesh ji.
One point on sure. you should
Huh?
make that triangle explicit, not that round.
Huh.
Otherwise, it is a,
Yes. Yes, yes. So yeah, when you're writing it, it will be like this. It will be,
yes, that's correct.
yeah. Okay, got it. Write it again. A triangle here, and then you're bringing it down, and then ooh, this is shoe, and then a triangle here. Then you're bringing it down, one ooh, and the second ooh, and then a shiroreka. This is shoe. Is it clear, Rakesh ji? Any doubts from
Yes.
students?
No, no, so far okay. We
Okay,
will take the questions at the end also.
okay, okay, okay. So let me go with the next alphabet. It will be Ru. Ru will be like this in Devanagari, and in Sharda. This is written something different. Please note here. A small line, then a curve, and then slightly bent, and then this is Ru. So you turn it here and then bring it down here. This is Ru. Okay, so just try to keep this line a little straight here, like this, around, little straight, then bend, and then bring it down. This is Ru. Is it clear?
Yeah, maybe what you can
So,
do, Snehaji, first
yeah.
you show them Ru and Ru. We can do it normal also. Maybe then we can show this also because this will otherwise confuse students.
Okay, okay. You mean to say like a Ru which is written R like this and U matra?
Yes, that's correct. Then Uma, yes, yes.
Okay, okay.
First we
Yeah,
will
it is
show
written
this,
like this.
then we
Huh.
will show the other one. Yeah.
Okay, okay. So first I'll show this one. So when you write normal R, second, a small triangle at the bottom, and U matra written like this. When you're writing Ru, it will be like this. Let me show. So it will be R here, and then double U like this. This is Ru. Ru. So you have another way also. So let me first show this in the normal pen. So it will be Ru. This will be Ru here, and then just a minute. Just a minute. So, and then when you're writing U matra here, it will be 1 and then 2. This is Ru if you're writing in the normal pen. We have another way also to write Ru. It will be, let me show you here. You bring us around here, straight line, little bend towards. This is also, you can write Ru. And for Ru, there is no change. Only these two are the only options that we have. It's there. But for
Exactly.
Ru, you can write any of these two. That is your convenience. So when you're
So
writing
if you
with
see,
a normal,
if you see, if we see the difference, maybe what we can do, it looks exactly like the or bh. Maybe Snehaji, what we will do, you can write those three separately and then show because this is a special rule and it is found in manuscripts. One minute.
yeah, 1 minute.
Yeah. So
Okay.
Snehaji, can you just show the ru and bh so that they understand these differences?
Yeah, I'll do that. So
It is
when
a
you're
special, it is
writing,
a, why it is written like this, student should remember it is just a style of writing. Ru is written a
yeah,
very special word. Yeah.
yeah, Ru is written like this. And if you're writing it with the normal, this is one way. This is Ru. And which one you said? Boo is it, Rakesh ji?
No, I said bh and d because if you see, otherwise students will
Huh.
get confused between bh and d.
Huh. Yeah, when you write bo, it will be like this. This is bo, this is boo.
Yes.
And when you write do, it is half and then oo. So these two are same. This is ru. You can either write this ru or this ru. And this is do and this is goo and do.
Yeah.
Okay,
No,
is it clear?
Snehaji, just sorry
Yeah.
to correct you again. Just
Uh-huh.
show
Yeah.
bh and d only, not u, without u matra. Right
Okay,
side to
without only
just
bo and
because we want to show them the difference between these three.
okay. So when you're writing bh, you write a shiroreka, a small line around, you make a curve and you bring it inside. This is bh. Need this bh. This is Devanagari bh. And when you're writing dh, a small curve and till here, that's it. This is dh. If you
Exactly.
observe, this is the difference is you're bringing this here. You're making a curve, you're bringing it inside towards this. And in the, you're just stopping it here. If you observe this, there's a space here. Here, you're pulling it towards this line. Let me show it again. So when you're writing b, it will be like this. This is b. When you're writing d, it will be this. Okay? That should
Yes.
be clear, no, Rakesh?
No, that is clear. So now it is, if we see the picture, students will understand that the right side D is slightly circular type and the roof is not circular and it comes little down. So these, even
Yes.
though they look very similar, students should remember the
It will,
difference
yeah, it
because
will be like
otherwise it's very
this.
confusing. Yes,
Yeah.
yes,
And here, if you observe, it is like this. It's a curve, as Rakesh ji said, it's a curve. But here you draw you make a straight line here, and then you bring it down. This is ru.
yes.
Yeah.
No, I think this
So
is a good.
anything?
Let me just see, because today we learned the special ku and ku matra. If what we can do today, if some student wants to tell any doubts, and they can raise
Yeah.
hands and I can just unmute them. Then Snehaji will clear that. They will have to talk about
Yeah,
what
we
is the
want
doubt.
students to be more interactive. Otherwise, we cannot assess like where they're standing. Yeah. Should I stop my screen
No,
share,
no,
Rakesh ji?
no. Just wait. We will see.
Okay.
Just
Huh.
don't stop.
Okay.
Okay. If students have any questions, just let me know on the chat. Then we can ask. Or what I will do, I will unmute all. I'm unmuting all. Students can just
Yeah.
unmute themselves and then ask questions.
Sir, could you please write you and you again?
I'll do
Okay.
that. Ju and Chu. So we all know this is how it is written. Ju in Devanagari, and in Sharda you write a line here and a triangle, and then here you bring a curve towards inside, and U is written here. This is Ju, and if you're writing Chu, this is how it's written in Devanagari, and in Sharda you write it one and then a small here too. This is Ju. Is it clear?
Yeah, is it clear now? Any other question?
Sir, I have a. Can I ask it last?
Yeah, please tell your question. Tell me.
Sir, no, sir. Is a senior team available, sir?
Okay.
Senior.
Yeah. It is seniors team.
So, no, sir. Can we join?
Yeah, you can join. You are already in the seniors group only right now. Oshin, can you unmute yourself and ask your question? Oshin,
Yes, sir. Namaste.
namaste.
Sir, I have a doubt that, sir, in do, it's a half curve, and in bu, it's a full curve, like inside.
Yes. Okay.
Yeah.
Yes.
For
We
the,
will show that. We'll
it
show
is
once
half.
again.
See, it's a half curve like this, and then you write oo here. This is do. When you're writing goo, it will be you're pulling this inside towards this center of the thing, and then you write oo here. So here it will be for the, for do it will be only half, and for ba you write around, and you write, it is almost not full, but you're bringing it inside like this. You're bringing it inside. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Dhanyavad.
Okay, welcome.
Namaskara.
Any questions? Yeah.
Yes, please.
Ma'am,
Yeah.
you said 9 alphabets have different form. Paru Matra.
Yeah. Yeah.
But you have explained only 8, I think. So can you concise those?
Okay, can you just Snehaji write all the 9? Just write the Devanagari
I will
first.
write.
Yeah.
Okay, first I will.
They will take the
I'll
screenshot.
write.
Yeah, just write so that they can remember it. We will also send the training material on WhatsApp. That's fine. But we will show it, yes.
So
Thank you, sir.
first, what I should. Yeah.
So Snehaji, what you can do, write in small. Just write all the 9 Devanagari where we follow this special rule.
Huh.
Yeah.
Yeah. So first go. This is go, and then we write go, and then we write chew. Okay, and then we write do, and then we write to, and then we write
No.
who.
Yeah, that's fine.
Yeah, no, I missed here. Yes, right here.
You can write below. That is fine.
Okay. Yeah, this is new. Okay, and this will be do, and this is two, and this will be who. Okay, and then you have shoe, and then you have row.
Yeah.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
These are 9. So students should remember these 9
Thank you, ma'am.
alphabets: K, G, J, Ñ, D, T, B, Sh, and R. These follow U and U matra, which Snehaji has shown us today.
Yeah, we'll send the material also.
Sanjana ji, you have a question? You can unmute yourself.
No, sir. I don't have any doubt.
Okay, fine. Okay. Who else has a doubt? They can unmute because I have removed the rule. We will also send the YouTube videos, and I hope students are watching these offline. If necessary, because sometimes you have to clear your doubts. You should watch the video once again. So we are sending the YouTube videos every evening. Any other question from any students? Okay, so just U and U matra. For all consonants, it remains like the small triangle and the curve. And just Snehaji, can you just write only the matra? U
Yeah.
and U. Conventional,
Yeah, this is
conventional and
U
special. Yeah.
and U.
Yes.
This is and for special it will be U and
Yes, very good. That's all.
They
So
are
this is what student should.
these are they are special.
Yeah. So this is not difficult. So students, I think, can understand. Any other question? Any other doubt from students? Okay, Pradipti, you have any question? Okay. If no questions, what we can do? We can do the Shanti Patha. So Sai Kula Devi ji, you will do Shanti Path. Who will do the Shanti Path? Okay, Oshin, please go ahead. Oshin, yes. You, Oshin,
Yes, sir.
yeah, wait, just 1 minute. Snehaji, can you stop your screen share now?
Yeah, I'll stop.
So Oshin, can you switch on your video now?
Yes, sir.
Okay, you can recite more mantra also, no problem. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, let's start. We will conclude.
Om Sarve Bhavantu Sukhina Sarve Santu Niramaya Sarve Bhadrani Paschyanto Ma Paschyanto Shavasmahi Shanti Shanti Shanti.
Thank you. Thank you, everybody. And please revise. We'll practice tomorrow again.
Yeah.
Thank you,
thanks.
sir.
Thank you.
Dhanyavad, sir.